That is so cute. I took a picture. Hey, ladies. Hey, girls.
I accidentally kept one of its ears up. It won't go down.
No. Oh, wait, no, it's going down.
I wanted to keep it up.
It's wearing a suit, guys. Look, it's everyone. Okay guys, so I am probably gonna end the vlog here, and yes, I'm finally talking. So this is like my first ever like silence vlog. Kind of wanted to try it out and see, and honestly it was so much fun. Spent the whole entire like road kind of like editing some stuff, and yes, as you can tell, I'm in my room. I just came back home. Also guys, I have school tomorrow. Like what the freak, I don't want to go back to school. We actually arrived pretty early, like it's currently 8 something, so honestly that's really good. And obviously I'm so happy, but also like I'm so sad. I just like, dude, I want to live in New York someday, and also like I feel like they have good art schools, so like low-key I could live in New York to go to college, considering it. Like honestly I get overstimulated when it comes to people, but honestly New York is just so pretty. Like I low-key just want to live in it. But anyways, I'm so happy because I got my first ever calico critter. So I got like these like little babies because the other calico critters costed like $32, so I was like maybe not. These costed like around $11, so honestly it was not that bad, and my mom allowed me, basically she allowed me and my sisters to get at least one item out of that like shop, and that shop was just so pretty. Oh my god, like I want to visit it more often, and it was also like my first time, so like I'm so excited. So hopefully if I go to New York, I'm going to that shop again. So guys, on the road the worst thing happened. My stomach started hurting, and it does kind of hurt like a little bit, like not a lot, but just like a teensy bit, like not even that much, but like it hurts on like the side, like this side. So I'll probably just take some like fibers just to like pray that it gets better. But I didn't throw up. Like honestly I have bad emetophobia, so like whenever my stomach hurts I literally get into like so much panic. It was so crazy, but now I feel better and I feel great. So honestly it was amazing, and plus it didn't even last that long. Like we literally went into a restaurant, my stomach started hurting, but then after that my mom gave me like some Tylenol just to like release the pain, and then boom, it went normal. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it more than I did. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications until I post another video. So guys, thank you guys so much for all the support and all the subscribers. You guys mean a lot to me, so I love you all so much. And also guys, go follow my socials because I'm gonna be active there. I love you all so much. Have an amazing day. Bye.